We should call him.
What do you call a horse?
What do you think you're doing? Get back! You see the white flag?
Oh, beastie. Bugger me worthless, but I didn't think to bring gloves or something to cut. Ow! I thought perhaps you might need these. That's a very long strand. And when you cut it, it's going to release this and this. And they call back rather violently, which I'm afraid will only wound the poor fellow further. We need more wire cutters!